Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav, and in this video I would like to share with you information on why eye muscle spasm causes blurred vision. First main problem is that the eye cannot refocus to different distances. With myopia, oblique eye muscles are spasmodic. With hyperopia, straight rectus muscle are spasmodic. For example, a person was looking at his laptop at the same distance for a long time without changing position, distance to the screen, and without giving rest to his eyes. Eye muscles got super tired and without conscious rest got into a spasm and cannot relax and to refocus to a different distance. Second problem is eye muscles pump blood, and our eyes require a lot of blood for various reasons to provide necessary nutrients and to supply the retina. Why there are problems with the retina? The spasmodic eye muscles cannot contract and the blood rushes very weakly, and the cooling of the retina doesn't occur as it should. Nerve fibers and nerve cells of the retina work very intensively. There is a very complex process, and it's necessary for them to cool down, which is a natural cooling and good metabolism for the proper recovery process. Therefore, the entire eye is covered with a vascular layer, and which plays a big role including cooling. And if there is no cooling, this is a problem, and if there is lack of oxygen, respectively, the cells will not breathe, and the blood also take away processed products and toxins. If it weakly works, weakly picks up toxins, and they accumulate in the capillaries and slack them. That is the work of the eye deteriorates at all levels. Conclusion: spasm of accommodation must be removed so that firstly the eye can refocus normally and blood circulation is normalized, since it's the muscle of the eyes that are involved in all this and they push the blood on the micro areas of our eyes and thus normalize the work of the eye. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.